Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 3rd. Grain markets, actually, we've got everything working a little higher today. Corn's up right now about 4.5. Beans, 17 3/4 higher in old crop. New crop up about 6.5, with wheat up 3 cents. All eyes were focused this morning here on export sales. Old crop corn, they were looking for 8.50 to 1.15. Came out at 960.6. But beans, the reason why we've got old crop beans up 17, they were looking for no sales to 200. We got 66.2. Any sales made right now, old crop beans, is going to be looked at as friendly. The market's certainly reacting to that once these numbers came out. New crop sales, pretty light, but it's old crop right now that's the focus. That's where guys are expecting to see tight stocks again on this report next week. So any kind of sales made right now for old crop beans, certainly because we haven't seen cancellations, are going to be looked at as friendly. So one of the questions we got to ask ourselves, yesterday we saw the markets decline. Are we going to see money flow again? Which way is it going? Is today going to be pouring back into the markets and we'll gain back what we lost yesterday, or will we see selling continue? Yesterday, money flow coming out of these markets mixed in with some producer selling as well. So really on the charts, didn't do any chart damage. So we got to watch a lot of the support areas in order to see more of this selling pressure if we end up taking these things out. So watch that around 8:30 today. Also see if there's any additional sales made today around 8 o'clock. That's going to have to be watched very closely as well. Like I said, a lot of focus today on export sales. We're getting a bounce this morning. A lot of the northern portion of the Corn Belt looking and bracing themselves for colder weather or even snow in certain parts. So we're also probably getting some kind of addition here to guys talking about planning delays. But the market is finding a little support here at this time. Now, as far as hogs are down sharply right now. April down $1.90. We've got June's down $2.70. Now, we have taken out last week's support areas for hogs, and we're finding some pressure here this morning. Now, when you look at cutout values, up $1.11, 133.74, still looking very strong. That may end up supporting the nearby contract for now, with April sitting well below where the cash levels are currently at. But it is, as we've been saying here for grains, it's the same thing for hogs. It's money flow. And when you look at all of this, all of the fund money and everything that was pushed into the hog market now coming out, it doesn't take long for that to happen. But certainly finding pressure here this morning. Now, cattle, little different story. Up 35 cents currently. Box beef coming in just a little better. Choice up $1.10. Select up 71 cents. Still bids in Kansas at 147. No trade though. Trade last week was at 152. So still holding out yet. See where this cash cattle trades this week. But still holding firm even with the hogs breaking back as much as they are. Some of the outside markets right now. Stock market up 9 points. Pretty quiet there. Gold down $5. Silver giving back about 20 cents of its gains yesterday. And then the dollar down about 7 cents. So if you guys have any questions today, give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.